Yo tengo el Gucci drip. Cuando yo vaya, don't flip. Bringing you back with that clip. No, I'm not crease, don't you trip. Yo tengo el Gucci drip. Cuando yo vaya, don't flip. Bringing you back with that clip. No, I'm not crease, don't you trip.
What is actually popping, YouTube? How you been? How you doing? How your freaking day been? Comment down below, because you know I want to know. So I'm wearing this shirt in another video because I was like, well, I need to brush my hair anyway. I'm gonna just do the 2 videos in one day. So, you know, boom. Yeah, so I'm gonna be showing you 2 things today. My nail is broken. Don't look at that. I gotta fix it. But I'm gonna be showing you 2 things. I showed this in the how to like fix your crown video. I showed it there, but I'm gonna show it also here in more detail because we're doing, you know, the whole head. A technique that I believe I came up with, but I'm not sure because I mean, maybe somebody else figured it out before I did, but I didn't see it, so I figured it out to my knowledge, if that makes sense. So that's basically what's gonna happen. I'm gonna show y'all the technique that I believe I came up with because I haven't seen it anywhere else. And that's basically mixing oil and water, the 2 things that do not mix, and that works in your favor here. So basically, if your hair is wet and you put oil on top of it, the oil is just gonna stick and sit on top, but it's gonna press your hair down. And that somewhat works as like an all natural and very, very cheap pomade. So go you. Saving money and getting your waves. Obviously I haven't done it yet because my hair looks a mess, but yeah. So yeah, if you wanna, I don't know, if you just don't have the money for pomade, because like whenever I first started doing waves, I only used castor oil, but I didn't do the water and oil thing that I'm about to show y'all right now. I just used plain castor oil, but then I realized on accident that this could work, you know. And don't comment that this is gonna cause buildup because I'm aware of that. But if you use a very thick, especially unnatural pomade, that's gonna cause buildup too. All of it causes buildup. The point is that you're new to waving and you need to lay down your hair. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna lay down our hair. So, you know me, you know. I have my castor oil. I just poured it into the cap because I can't find my little pink thing where I hold it in, but whatever. So, we're gonna just spray the hair. Wet it up a bit. I meant to say, so we're doing 2 things in this video. I forgot to say the second thing. So, the second thing that we're gonna do in this video is show y'all these brushes from 360 merch that I really like. I already did a review on the hard brush or medium hard brush, I can't remember what it's called, but this is a new colorway and it's like a medium soft brush, and I'm gonna tell y'all right now, I already tried it and I love it a lot. It is very nice because what I found was that it both like detangles my hair and lays my hair down, and it's so good. And then it's curved. You know, we love the curved brushes. Boom, boom, boom. From 360 merch. And y'all know I do promote for them, but all of my reviews are honest, completely honest, and I show y'all my hair as I'm using it. I'm not capping to y'all. These brushes are really good. Like, I'm blessed. These brushes are really good. So if you want one, I'm gonna have their All their information linked in the description box with my 10% off code, which is Kindle T in all caps. So make sure you use that so you can get some money off. Touch your hair. You can definitely wet it in the shower too. My camera just died, so I had to restart basically. And you get your castor oil and you pour it in your hand. Measurements really don't matter. It's just kind of like keep doing it until you are satisfied. Now, one thing with doing this method is I would do this I wouldn't do this on freshly washed hair because, like I said, it's gonna build up, and if you didn't do it like completely evenly, then some parts are gonna look more laid down than the others. But if you do this like right before you go out somewhere and you like need a haircut, or your hair is not laying down like it should be, or you know that you're gonna sweat, you do this and your hair's stuck. Okay, it's stuck. Cool. There we go. So now we just brush. And y'all see, like, automatically, like, yo, this method with this brush goes stupid, okay?
I mean, I gotta let knowledge be heard.
I be feeling for you, love you like my drunk, baby. And I don't wanna fight it like the rush, baby. You be doing what you do, yeah, you stay on my mind, talking.
Now I'm gonna go with my crown brush, also by 360 Merch, just to get my crown area, because I hate trying to do my crown with that fat brush. It's just so difficult.
Now you talking, no, it gets me to my level. Whistle back without the pedal. Sugar to my coffee, got me clutching on my metal. For you, the way you do, got me wanting to do better. Always motivated, even through the stormy weather. I love it, so exciting, enticing. I'll do anything. And the moment, I don't know what to say. Taking over my mental, want it every day. Put your hands up if you ever felt what I'm feeling. All about the loving and the giving. I wanna give it to you. Love the way you do. Free falling.
Now, this is before we put on the rag. Okay? I'm just gonna put on my do-rag and then come back whenever it's all dry. Okay, so I'm back. I have to do this quickly. So let's just go ahead and take this off. Oh man, I made a knot. Darn it. Okay.
For you, said you want me, well I want you to. Let's go somewhere, get comfortable. I could tell by the step what you wanna do.
Boom. So, like I said, it lays it down like crazy, and it's still like soft. And you see, like in the front, so the front of my hair, it like curls upwards, but whenever I do this, it's all laid and it don't do nothing. But one thing, I have a question. So if you've ever gotten your hair like cut wrong, how did you fix it? Because somebody cut my hair wrong and now my hair won't like wave properly in certain spots, and that is heartbreaking. So yeah, if you know how to fix that, comment that down below, please. And yeah, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you click the little bell so that you can know every time that I post and I upload, or whatever you want to call it. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.
Yo tengo el Gucci drip. Cuando yo vaya, don't flip. Bringing you back, oh, that's clip. No, I'm not crease, don't you trip. Yo tengo el Gucci drip. Cuando yo vaya, don't flip. Bringing you back, oh, that's clip. No, I'm not crease, don't you trip.